Thanks for tuning in to Samspace81. Today we're taking this 72 Nova out for a road test and a quick look around. We're in Wilson, Oklahoma at Redline Musclecars.
Try the lights. Anyway, high beam. Alright. Signal. Okay. This one. Yep. Yep. Check the back. Alright. Left. Yes. Yes. Brake lights. Yes. Try the reverse lights. No reverse. Okay. Let's take a ride. Alright, let's take a ride. It's a good sounding car.
Yeah. I didn't do it.
You never drove this one?
Around here, but I mean not out here.
Yeah. Fred said it drives out sweet.
Oh, I bet it does.
We'll go through the gears.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll make 4 of these and down through there.
We got a working factory tag. That's rare. Turn on the little side road over there and I'll get out, film it from the outside, get you run up down the road. If you think we've got enough fuel.
Yeah. It's got
Oh yeah, we got plenty.
It's got a synchronized transmission in it too.
Yeah, it's quiet.
Well, I mean, I put it
Couldn't hear
first. I put it first and when it popped, see?
Yep. No synchro noises.
It was synchronized. If it wasn't a synchronized transmission, you'd have to stop.
Like the old Model A's.
Yeah.
Yeah, you let me out and just buzz off out of sight there. See the green kind of go over the hill.
Yeah.
I'm gonna walk around it and I'll signal you to take off.
Okay.
Appreciate everybody checking out this Nova with me. Thanks for watching Samspace81. Stay tuned for the next video.